India have done their job. With a strong win against Zimbabwe, Team India are almost through to the semi-finals of the T20 World Cup. But now the big question is, what about Pakistan? Can Pakistan still qualify for the semi-finals? The simple answer is yes. Pakistan are not out yet, but their fate does not depend only on them. It depends heavily on the result of one very important match, England versus New Zealand. Let's break down Pakistan's roadmap to semi-final. Right now, in this points table, England are at the top. New Zealand are in the second place. Pakistan are third. Sri Lanka are fourth. England have already secured their place in the semi-finals from this group, so they are through. Now, New Zealand needs a win in their upcoming match against England if they want to confirm their semi-final spot. And this is exactly where Pakistan's future gets decided. If New Zealand defeat England, then New Zealand will qualify along with England. That means Pakistan will be officially knocked out of the tournament. No more chances. But if New Zealand lose to England, then Pakistan stay alive in the race. So, clearly, Pakistan fans will be supporting England in that match. They need England to beat New Zealand. But here's the twist, it's not just about winning or losing. The margin matters a lot. If New Zealand lose by a big margin, it helps Pakistan's chances. Why? Because a net run rate becomes very important in this situation. Now comes the second part of Pakistan's job. If New Zealand lose, Pakistan must then win their final league match against Sri Lanka. And not just win, they need to win by a big margin. Sri Lanka are already out of the tournament. They have lost their previous matches and are no longer in the semi-final race. But they can still play spoil sport. For Pakistan, beating Sri Lanka comfortably is extremely important. A small win may not be enough. They need a convincing victory to improve their net run rate and go ahead of New Zealand in the points table. So, if New Zealand win against England, Pakistan are out. If New Zealand lose, Pakistan get a chance. But then Pakistan must defeat Sri Lanka by a big margin. And the size of both results, England's win and Pakistan's win, will decide who goes through. That is why the England versus New Zealand match becomes so crucial for Pakistan. Even though Pakistan are not playing in that game, their semi-final hopes depend on it. It's a classic T20 World Cup drama, calculations and net run rate pressure and tens waiting. So for Pakistan fans, this message is very simple. First, hope England beat New Zealand. Then Pakistan must finish the first strong job against Sri Lanka. One match can change everything. This is what makes the T20 Cup so exciting. Until the last ball, everything is possible. Stay tuned because the road to the semi-finals is not yet over.